Welcome, Julie Hackworth here at a new listing on Swan Drive. This is a tucked away, quiet neighborhood, great for walking, bike riding, and taking in that fresh air. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a half. Immediately when you walk in, you're going to see how immaculate and well maintained this home is. The seller has poured in a lot of updates in this home. It has brand new flooring, updated kitchen, light fixtures, paint. It is simply gorgeous, especially those hardwood floors. The home offers a first floor master suite that it is gigantic. And really the other bedrooms are just as large. A really truly great layout. It has first floor laundry room, finished walkout basement, an attached workshop with endless possibilities to craft that into additional living space, as well as the bonus room above the garage. Allow me to show you through all these wonderful features this home has to offer.